Here's the current tire carrier. It's plastic, and you know what we carry on there. All of that. So this needs to be replaced. Plus, there's a 37-inch tire on here. And with this particular tire carrier, the stock one, the metal rear bumper doesn't fit. So we've been driving around without a bumper for like months. Well, this week we got the new Motobuilt tire carrier for the monstrosity that you see we carry on the back of our Jeep. But it comes raw, so we have to finish it. So first, you clean it with lacquer thinner. Getting the primer down on all the little pieces and on the big piece. And then we got the Raptor liner kit. They actually spray with a gun. And the spray gun is included in the kit, so we just need our air compressor. The texturing begin. As the sun goes down behind the trees. You spill all over yourself. And then you spray the other side. Man, and Clarkson even got a bath. Someone had to waste time while the Raptor liner dried on the spare tire mount, which will go in here. I think the Raptor liner is going to look awesome. It hooks on the hinges back here and will help support all the stuff that we asked the back of the Jeep to hold. I'm getting really excited for Russ 2.0. So when I'm excited, I play. So one night I measured out everything in my journal, and then I taped off where the new stuff is going to go in Russ 2.0. Oliver is currently standing on what will be the couch. This piece, yep, right there, Ollie, that will stay, and this will be the back support. Couch will come across, come down to the tape right here. Yep, right where Ollie's laying on the tape. And then it'll slide out this distance to this, which is the cabinet, to be a single bed for Henry and Oliver, and a couch during the day. And then we'll get to keep all of that storage that's in the wheel well thing. This side, however, is getting the most drastic change. So all of this and all of this is coming out all the way back to here on this, and then all the way back to the hinges at the window. The sink's coming out. And then this whole area to where the sink is now will be cabinets. Basically full height cabinets. So they'll be like way up here, because the top will pop up and we can stand in there, and then we need full height cabinets. This will be a little bit lower because this will be the cooler rollout and the stove rollout underneath it, and then you'll be able to access the cooler from the top also on the inside if you don't want to roll it out because it's all icky outside. And then where the sink is will be the toilet bench. That's just where it'll store. You don't actually use it there. Use it in the little pop-up tent that goes outside. And then on the other side, behind the seat, will be another 2 storage cubbies for clothing when we travel. And that's it. It's gonna be pretty sweet.